cut some of the Wispa bars up and sprinkle on the bottom around the chocolatey part of my puddly bit of my cake. So I've got a knife. I'm just going to chop the Wispas into little, can't see, oh, I'm going to move the cake over a bit, thousands of Wispas. Just going to cut them into sort of pieces. They have been in the fridge, so they are easier to cut, that sort of size. Okay, like that. And then I'm just going to put them around the cake. Now, I'm not going to worry about whether they're laying down, or whether they are sideways, whether they're wonky or anything like that, because they have just come like that. Bit's one probably a bit thick, so I'm going to cut it in half. So some are standing upright, some are laying down. Whispers, and stuck it round into the middle of the sort of circle part that I made. Okay, just crumbled some of them up. I'm going to finish decorating the other parts of the cake with the rest of the Whispers. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry on cutting pieces of Whispers up into little bits. Alright, because I'm going to do something similar to what I've done before, but I'm going to do it around the edge of the cake. Okay, so I'm going to start sticking Whispers around this part of the cake. Okay, until I go all the way around like this. Okay, just keep going. So it doesn't actually got crumbs on the side. I'm going to probably use some of them in a minute anyway. That one didn't break very well. Just keep going round. Definitely put your Whispers in the fridge before you use them, because cutting one they're soft's not so good. As I say, they're getting softer now and they're getting a bit harder to break. We need a packet of 10. And it's a good gift. If you've got any left, you can nibble them, can't you? Yeah. Okay. As you can see, I'm just building up the sides. Oh, that one's broken. They're definitely not quite so easy to use when they get softer. So make sure you do have them. And now all I'm going to do is do the same as I did with the puddle. I'm going to do the inside of that circle with broke up Whispers again. Okay, let's get going. So just crumble up the bits that have not gone quite so well as planned. Gone round again with the Whispers, covered the middle in the broken chocolates. Okay, and the Wispa come out the packet. Cut the rest of the chocolate, and I'm going to got me melted chocolate. I'm just going to dunk one side of me Wispa into the chocolate, and then I'm going to stick it around the bottom edge of the cake. I'm going to leave a gap because I've got something else to go in the middle, okay? Like that. So just cover your Wispa in a bit of milk chocolate. Just, it should stick away, right? Because you've got butter icing on. It's just me putting more chocolate on the cake. Like it really needs any more chocolate. You're probably saying, you're right. It doesn't. But oh my god, it's gonna taste so good. It's gonna taste so bad. Naughty. But he's only 12 once, isn't he? So yeah. That one's broken. Alright, I'm nearly there. Okay, a couple more pieces. Okay. I'm going to wash my hands again because I'm all sticky. Then I have some of these giant chocolate chips, but they're giant jumbo ones. And I'm just going to stick one of these in the middle of my, if I can get all that one stuck together. That's alright. In the middles of my pieces of Wispa, just to give it a bit of texture, a bit of different shape, make it look a bit more groovy. It's not that we need more chocolate, it's that we need more fun. So, done that. I'm going to keep going round until I've reached the other side. I've done that, as you can see. Okay. Now, I do have some broken Wispa left, so I am just going to sprinkle the sides with it, and then we shall be finished. So I'm going to break all these bits of chocolate up, and I don't think I've got enough jumbo. I was thinking of going around the top with, I might do that. I'm just going to go around the top with some more jumbo things. So I think I've probably got enough. Yeah. Right, next I'm just going to dribble some of this chocolate. I'm not really dribbly anymore, but I don't really want to waste it. So it's too good. Too good. Too good. As it gives it a bit more texture again, I'm just blobbing on some melty chocolate in sort of lumps and stripes and all that. bits of chocolate that I've got left over. I'm just going to crumble them up. Alright, and then I'm just going to spoon them around the sides. I need to break them up a bit more if I can. Again, very chocolatey again. It's definitely... So if you don't like chocolate, I wouldn't suggest you make this. Obviously you can make it with any kind of bar of chocolate. Don't have to be a Wispa. You can use whatever you like. Right, I'm just going to wash my hands again because... Ew! Right, you get yourself a spoon. Right. And I'm just... No, don't do that. Don't tip your cake upside down. Right, just spoon it. And what doesn't stick, doesn't stick. What does, just sort of throw it at it. Like that. Look how delicious that looks. Throw it at the sides. It will stick to the chocolate that you've just put on. Okay. And oh my god, it looks really lovely and really naughty. Okay. I'm still throwing it at it. Just want to make sure that gets some round all the sides. Like that. I think I've got most of the sides. And I'm just trying to scrape off the bits that are not stuck. Okay. And then you can even throw them back on again, or you can leave it. Just going to throw some more of this side. This one doesn't seem to have quite so much. Until it looks like a chocolate castle. Finish article. I'm going to clean it up a little bit around the sides and I'll be back.
I was made a mess.
I always make a mess. I hope you like chocolate, so you're going to die. Death by chocolate, this cake is.
Oh yeah.
I tell you.
That with a bit of ice cream.
That is death by chocolate. I made a mess. I made a mess. Right, cake's finished. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will see you all again soon. Bye bye for now. Bye everybody. Bye.
Happy birthday to you.